Welcome to the discussion of developing efficient vehicle tracking system using Informix database server. The presentation clearly explains how the Informix time series and Informix spatial features plays a critical role of differentiator in developing such type of solutions. Let's first understand the high-level concept of vehicle tracking system and why the industry needs this. A vehicle tracking system, as the name depicts, is a system that has been implemented to track the vehicle real time. Different industries or organizations need it, be it banking, logistics, cab services, or service sectors that maintain their own set of vehicles. For efficient operation of these vehicles, the organization looks for a system which enables them to spot the vehicle at any given point of time, efficient route mapping, identify fuel pilferage, identify the vehicles that are either diverting from the designated route or overspeeding or taking unplanned stoppages. The basic architecture of such system leverage on GPS and GPRS network. A vehicle is deployed with a device called vehicle tracking device, which has the capability of recording the current location of the vehicle, current fuel status, ignition status, and the current speed. This device then sends all this information to the centralized system through GPRS network with certain frequencies, say every 5 minutes. The analytics intelligence is then developed around this information to address the use cases discussed. The vehicle tracking system can always be built using the traditional RDBMS approach. The traditional approach to design database for such solutions stores individual record for every 5 minutes reading, which eventually stores the data in the form as shown in the visual content. For faster retrieval of the information, the primary key is built on the vehicle ID and the timestamp. But the challenges with the traditional approach are the data becomes very voluminous in nature, the transactions become computationally expensive, low performance, high storage and maintenance cost, and there are many aspects of the business semantics that has to be handled by the application. Informix technology proposes time series and spatial features for effective and efficient implementation of vehicle tracking system. The time series feature to store and retrieve the timestamp data effectively, and spatial feature to manage location-based information efficiently, thus making the development easy. Informix time series stores the timestamp data for individual vehicles at column level. Hence, the value of vehicle ID is not repeated as in standard relational approach. The number of rows in the table are far less. A primary key is defined on the vehicle ID. As the number of rows are far less, the resultant index tree is small. The data for each vehicle is physically ordered as per timestamp. As the index tree is small and the data is physically ordered, the performance is extremely high. Time series is an inbuilt feature of Informix and is specially designed to manage timestamp data and fulfill the needs of solutions that are developed to manage it. As the data layout is optimized on the disk, the performance is almost 33 times better than the relational approach. The inbuilt SQL routines helps to handle operations which otherwise are hard or impossible to accomplish in standard RDBMS. The optimized data layout can save over 50% of the disk space in comparison to the relational approach. Time series being inbuilt feature of the server, it interoperates well with other features of the database and other products, making it easy to fit in any solution architectures. Vehicle tracking system also partially being a location-based information management system, the support to spatial data plays a major role in managing location-based information of the vehicles efficiently. The spatial data support helps in storing the vehicle routes and locations efficiently, and the R-tree index support helps faster retrieval. The SQL functions to create KML and GML files from the spatial data helps faster development. Informix spatial feature has over 80 built-in routines which interoperates well with other features of the database and other products, making it easy to fit in any solution architectures and reducing the learning curve. Now let's see how the time series and spatial features plays a major role in vehicle tracking system through a small visual demo. The application being seen in the visual content is called as OpenAdmin tool. The OpenAdmin tool is the best available interface for Informix server and is developed in PHP. The vehicle tracking system has been custom built using PHP and the module has been plugged into OpenAdmin tool, demonstrating the ease of development and deployment. The user is presented with the vehicle details on the vehicle tracking system home tab, details such as vehicle number, vehicle model, depot address, fuel consumed for the given day, and the total distance traveled by the vehicle for a given day. The user can observe an SQL being called at the end of the table. Here, fuel_cons and tot_dist are two custom built functions that are being called as part of the SQL. to calculate the fuel consumed and distance traveled by the vehicle for a given day. Time series feature enables the user to call custom-built functions directly as part of the SQL. The time series feature of Informix Server provides over 80 built-in routines that helps assist the application developers to perform complex analysis and operations with relative ease, thus reducing the learning curve and development time. The user can see a list of all the vehicles available within the organization whose numbers are being displayed under the column Vehicle Number. Choose a vehicle number to know its current location. The moment the user chooses the vehicle number 1235, the application displays the current location of the vehicle on the Google Map. Using the time series function called getLastElement, the user can select the exact location of the vehicle in fraction of seconds from millions of records and display the location on the Google Map. No need to maintain a separate column to store the current location or store the location data in a separate temp table or a view. One of the objectives behind implementing vehicle tracking system was to track the fuel consumption abnormality or fuel oil theft. To work on this use case, the user needs to click on the Fuel Exceptions tab. Time series feature enables the application to list the vehicles for which the system has found an abnormality in fuel consumption from millions of records within fraction of seconds. Choose a vehicle number from the list displayed to observe the abnormality in the fuel oil consumption. Let's choose vehicle with the number 1236. The user can see graphical representation of fuel consumption pattern. This immediately tells you the time when fuel level dropped abnormally. As you can see from the screen, at 4:05 we had 81 liters of fuel, and at 4:10 we have 70 liters of fuel, which clearly indicates that there has been an abnormality in fuel consumption within a span of 5 minutes. You can see the same data in the table format if you can choose the data option as provided on the right hand corner of the screen. Here you can see the sharp drop in the fuel values. Another objective of implementing the vehicle tracking system is to track the vehicle and ensure it doesn't deviate from its defined route. This is called as geofencing. Using time series and spatial feature combination, the implementation of the geofencing becomes easy. Spatial feature allows you to store the route in one column of the vehicle master table in the form of either line string or polygon. Time series helps in scanning through each records from the history very fast, and the spatial function st_within helps in checking if the vehicle has broken the defined route or not. Developer need not write any separate routines to check the condition of the geofence. The user gets to see a list of all the vehicles who have broken the geofence as of today. Let's choose a vehicle to see the offense. Here, the route displayed in the green color represents the designated route which the vehicle should have been following, wherein the route depicted by the red color represents the violation of the geofence. To show the designated route, the user can create a KML document using se_as_KML function provided by the spatial feature and display the polygon on the Google Map, or the user can create an XML document using se_as_GML with some string manipulation function. This completes our visual demonstration of vehicle tracking system and few of its use cases such as locating, spotting the vehicle at a given point of time, fuel pilferage, and geofencing. Thank you.